Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to enable onion skin in Krita. To start, you need animation frames on a layer. Now open the onion skin docker by going to Settings, Dockers, then Onion Skin if it's not visible. The onion skin docker lets you adjust how many frames before and after the current one you want to see, and how transparent they should be. To turn onion skin on for a specific animated layer, look in the layers list or the timeline docker for a light bulb icon on that layer. Click the light bulb to toggle onion skinning for that layer. When it's active, you'll see ghosted images of nearby frames in the canvas. In the onion skin panel, you can also adjust opacity sliders and frame range icons, so you see more or fewer frames around your current one, and adjust the tint colors for previous and next frames for better visual clarity. And that's how you enable onion skinning in Krita. Thanks for watching.